Gold yesterday has created a bearish candle and it has made a bearish breakout below 2751.09. From yesterday, from the previous week, from Friday, we can see that the price has dropped significantly after reaching this 2787.96. A supply is on the resistance level on the daily time frame, and the price has gone all the way back down yesterday on a Monday when the week has started and formed a bearish breakout where the price was trying to reach 2724.23 as the next support level. We can see that easily right here. The price has come very close to here, but it has bounced back up, and currently it has formed indecision candle, which is still active. So what we can expect today? Well, what I can see is that first of all, the price has made a bearish breakout below this area of demand zone, which is support level, and it has formed also a bearish breakout on the daily time frame below 2744.57. This is a level that will be much easier visible on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, how the breakout has been formed, and we can see that the price stopped right very close to this one here, which is the next support level around 2736. We can see that on the daily time frame, and also this one here, 2730.88. We can see that. So how the price will behave today? Well, based on this one, there is a potential that the price returns back up to 2751.09 here on the daily resistance level, and then bounce back down, continue to fall in value. First of all, this is a bearish breakout, which means this should be validated. That means the price today should not return and close above 2751.09. And if it is going to fall down, it needs to make a breakout below this area of support where the price currently is in order to continue to lose its value and go to the first support level. For now, based on this one, what I can see, I am more inclined to see the price going further down, to see around this area of support. But first of all, the price needs to make a bearish breakout below this area where the price currently is. And also, if the price returns back up to 2751.09, it needs to bounce back down. So what will happen today around these small levels on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, we will see. And also, especially inside the premium analysis, I will share with the traders the details how the price will behave, and also where is the direction when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout. Because on the small time frame, I have also 1-hour time frame support and the resistance, and also 4-hour time frame support and the resistance. And when there is a bearish breakout or bullish breakout going up, this will be indication as a start of this move, and then it will be much more clear in which direction the price is trying to move, and also where is the next target. That will be shared inside the premium analysis. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.